everybody, welcome to Casey's Garage. I'm just a quick video of what I've been doing lately. I've got a lot going on, so I didn't want to leave you guys with another couple weeks without videos. So this is what I've been doing recently. I just got this Cobalt cabinet, and the reason I needed it was, well, because of this. I decided to buy nitrus. What that might mean for the GTO later, I'm not 100% sure yet, but I thought it'd be a lot of fun to buy some nitrus. So let me show you guys the setup real quick. Obviously we got the nitrus bottle here. Runs from this tube down to I'm having a hard time seeing here. Oh, there we are. Okay, so it's this nitrus filter. Runs up here to this this refill pump. Runs through here to a valve and the pressure, and this goes to the regular sized bottle of nitrus. And it seems like a pretty neat idea to have it in my garage. It should mean cheap fill-ups. Plus, hopefully, people in my area that happen to have nitrus might want to swing by and grab some. But regardless, that's what I've been doing. Hopefully, it means that I get to do something really cool with my own car and put some nitrus in there. There's actually an intake manifold that I really want for it that I was thinking about getting once I put new heads on it and everything, that's got a nitrus port built into it. So maybe when I do that, then that's what's going to happen. But anyway, I just want to give you guys a quick update on what's going on. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.